Well, that's what we got, folks. Man, we got the OnePlus 13 in, and yeah, this is going to be quite interesting. I forgot this phone was actually releasing today, but luckily I was able to score one. Every other YouTuber in the world got the blue. I didn't go for that. And be honest with you, they just didn't have it. That's why I didn't get it. But there's something about the simplicity in the black. We're gonna unbox this thing, man, and see exactly what it do. So without further ado, let's get it, man. Yeah, boy, this is gonna be interesting. Well, yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Bow. As usual, the old red box. We never settling, bro. This is supposedly the flagship killer for real this year. Let's see what else we got in here, man. Yeah, a bunch of nothing. Books. SIM ejector tool. I know we got a charger in here. Let's go, man. We got a charging brick in the box, bro. What more can you ask for, right? I know. We're gonna get into the specs in a minute, but this is quite the feat. Of course, we got the red cable like we always have at OnePlus. So, yep. Put that to the side. All that to the side. Bruh. Yeah. The camera ain't really doing this no justice, man, but the back on this thing is quite nice. Nice wood grain feel on top of this glass. Not wood, but it just got the texture and print like it's maybe wood, but it's super light compared to my iPhone and my Pixel XL. Yeah, I'm digging this already. So let's get into the specs, man. Let's see what we got here. Obviously they running sales right now on OnePlus website, so actually everywhere else. I got mine from Best Buy. It was $8.99 with a $100 gift card. Now OnePlus is running all kind of deals on theirs too. For the 16 gig 512, it's the same price as the 12 gig 256. I don't know how long they're running this. I think they're running this promotion for about a month or so. But that's the promotion they got going right now. Plus you trade in any device, you get $100 off. So whether it works, don't work, whatever, any kind of device, you get $100 off. And they do have other trade-in options there too. But talked about it already. I got the Black Eclipse. We got the Midnight Ocean, and that's the color everybody and their mom looking at right now. Not me per se. Just they didn't have it. It's sick looking, and from what I hear, the vegan leather texture on the back makes the phone worth the price of admission. But if you're like me, I put cases on my phone, so it really didn't really matter to me what color I got, because I'm just gonna slap a case on it anyway. So and the Arctic Dawn, which is quite sexy too, because it's, yeah, I'm a Star Wars fan and Stormtroopers, baby. Let's see what else we got here. Talked about the trade-in, but see, OnePlus is actually throwing in the OnePlus Watch 2R with it too. So if you got trade-ins and you need a smartwatch too, you probably want to go for the OnePlus deal. Get $100 off. That'll bring it down to $7.99, plus you get a smartwatch at the same time. So kind of but Best Buy gave me a $100 gift card anyway too. So yeah, talked about the vegan leather on that thing, man. So with this, we got the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Now I seen a couple benchmarks on it. I ain't gonna get into all of that right now. This is just unboxing and first impressions of this thing. So we got 40% higher Adreno GPU performance. What does that mean? You got some good gaming on this thing. Now 45% better performance over the last chipset, which is pretty dang awesome considering we don't do enough things to make these phones slow. And we got 27% more efficient performance, i.e. battery life. And speaking of battery life, this thing has a 6,000 milliamp battery in it with the new technology, which is the silicone nano stack battery. Now there's going to be new battery technology that everybody's going to hop on board and start using here in 2025. So glad that I finally got to test it out to see, but 6,000 milliamps in this joint, yo, that's absolutely bananas. Let's see. Studio grade portraits yet to be determined. You already know we're gonna take this thing out, do some real life testing on it when we do our review. Let's see. AI. All right, whatever. Buzzword of 2024. Everybody got it. Don't nobody use it. There we go. We got the 50 megapixel wide camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times the zoom on that. Would have liked to see more than 3 times zoom on that, but it is what it is. I ain't in the heavy creep status and doing mad zoom photos anyway. So if I want to get up close to it, have at it. I got a real camera for that. New for this year, we got IP69 rating. We'll get into that on the actual review when I get to. Am I gonna test this out? Am I gonna put it in a dishwasher? Because apparently the IP69 means it can handle high temperatures and jets of water for, I mean, even like they put it in a washing machine, they put it in a dishwasher without the tumbler, and it actually came out still working. So that's good for all you forgetful folks that just do crazy stuff with your phone. That ain't me. Talked about the 6,000 milliamp battery, but we got 80 watt super VOOC charging with this thing. That's crazy. That's stupid crazy. Now we also have up to 100 watts with the included charger here and the dual port power adapter. So bruh, this thing gonna charge up in no time. I want to say under 40 minutes from 0 to 100 with this thing. And again, that's 6,000 milliamps. You ain't gonna kill this phone in a day. You're not gonna do it. But of course, we're gonna put it through its paces and see what it do. And the size, we got 6.82 inch screen on this joint, bruh. I think I'm putting the cart before the horse, but of course I'm gonna put it to the test. But so far, from what I'm reading, I ain't even turned the device on yet, bruh. I think this gonna be a solid. Device. So yeah, let's get this thing turned on, man. See what it do. See what kind of boot animation we get here. You trolling me? Of course not. Yeah, man, definitely looking forward to getting my hands all over this thing, man, and seeing what it do. Been a fan of OnePlus for a long time, so this is just, yeah. I mean, I had the OnePlus 12, so yeah. Get this thing turned on, bro. We ain't settling. Do all this crazy stuff, man. Do I want to set up for another Android device? I don't know. Let's pause the video, bro. Get this thing all set up. Well, we back in, man. Got this thing set up, bro. Let's see what we got here. Let's try that. Just cause. Bruh. Yeah. Just by looking at this thing, man, like, let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. Look at the texture on the back of this thing, man. It doesn't feel grippy at all, unlike the one with the vegan leather, but I'm sure when I slap a case on here, man, I'll forget all about that. It's gonna have to be something clear, because this back, people sleeping on the black one, and they definitely sleeping on this one, man. Let's get this thing off of here, bro. I don't need all of that. There we go. Yeah, this thing is pretty sick, bro. I like it. It's not a fingerprint magnet. I'm digging this. I'm digging this 100% already. And as far as the animations go on here, it's pretty snappy. Yeah, again, we're gonna put it through its paces, man, and see if we can push it to the max. We're gonna do some battery tests. We're gonna do all that fun stuff that you YouTubers like to watch on cell phones, because hell, I like to watch it too. Yeah, this is just an unboxing and initial impressions of the OnePlus 13, bro. I'm your boy Money Mad, man. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, man. Hit that notification bell too, man, so you can keep up with your boy when we put this thing through its paces, man, because we're gonna take this thing out, bro. We're gonna do some things. And if you've been here for some time, what we do is we take these things out. I go to Disney, I spend a day at Disney, and I put it through its paces, and I give you guys a review all the same at the same time. So again, be sure to hit that notification bell so you will be up to date on those things here on the set. I'm your boy Money Mad, where we talk about sneakers, electronics, and boy, is it electronic season, and toys. I'm gonna get on out of here, folks, and go play with this thing. Peace.